Right, I'm here with Dan, and Dan has just rocked in this 5th month 1989 HJ61. And it's a bit of a tool, mate. Tell me about it. Tell me a little bit about where you got it from.
Well, some dude out there.
Yeah,
that way,
yeah.
that way. No, yeah, a guy was getting rid of it because he needed something new. The wife didn't want the old girl anymore.
Yeah.
So I was looking for a while for a 12 HT. And
yeah, cool. And he was a bit reluctant to get rid of it, was he?
He was super reluctant. I could almost see a tear in his eye.
Yeah, cool. And I would be as well, man. Just look at it. So what we got here? We got the steel bull bar, the brush bars, and the rock sliders up the side of it.
Yeah.
And it's got what 1 inch, 2 inch body lift.
I don't actually know what he did on it. It's high. I know that.
Yeah, cool. We've got the Neg 44s by I think they're by 12 inch.
Yeah.
And that's a wide tyre, man. So yeah.
I'm a little bit skeptical on that. I was kind of wanting to go with the split rims.
Yeah. Good look. I do like the look of the split rims.
Yeah, I like the original look a bit more.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, I'm just going to wear these out for a bit and, you know, take them over to WA and see how it goes.
Now, I did notice something else. Like up the rear of this vehicle is, I think it's made out of like RHS or something. It's like the steel is something that holds bridges up or something. So there's a bit of a custom made rear bar on it. It's got the infrastructure there for rear tyre carriers, and it would take the weight as well. If a little Holden or something ran up the back of this, there'd be nothing left of it. Trust me, it's a bit of a thing.
If they are hooting, I just reverse into them.
Yeah, that's it. So you've got something I really like with the 60s and the 40s is the sun visor. Really good look, gives you a lot of shade there, and you're going to need this, and we'll talk about that in a minute. So today you came in, you got a couple of spares for the journey.
Two tyres, rims. What did I get? I got the motor.
The wiper motor,
wipers, because I'm running without them at the moment. I just checked the PTO tape.
Yeah, off. So that was interesting. So he got a full Thomas PTO up the front here, and you were just worried about the takeoff. Someone said the gear was around.
The gear was the wrong way around or something, but I just checked it with your guys' ones that you've got around, and it seems
it's going to be bad. So you're going to bolt that in and get all that hooked up, and that. I love PTOs, man. There's power involved in those, man. So no, it's really cool. And look, let's talk about this. This is a really cool story, right? So you picked this up, you've done a couple of trips in it, Fraser, and you've been Straddy and stuff like that. But you're going on a big one, right? Yeah,
gonna go up top, go up to Cairns, and then over to Darwin, and down and round Broome, Exmouth, to bottom of WA.
That is cool, very cool. So this rig is about to do some serious Ks, right?
Yeah.
I bet you're looking seriously forward. I'm very jealous, to be honest. 12 HT will do it all day long, that's for sure. So let's go inside, see what's going on in there. You've got a few bits going on. You're not going to do much to this rig, are you? You're just going to head over there.
Yeah, it's pretty good at the moment.
Yeah, cool.
Don't want to do too much more to it, because after that I want to restore it back to original.
Let's go inside and have a look. So right, so inside now, I can see that the dash is pretty standard. It's a bit of a shame, there's a couple of rips in the dash pad there, but all in all, it's a really nice looking dash. You got two UHFs there. Now that's really cool, because you can listen to the truckies on one, and you can chat to your mates on the other. You know, like
cause a bit of mischief on that.
That's it. You got a brake controller, but I hear you're not planning on towing anything, so that's a bit redundant there.
No, it's a bit redundant.
So you got a couple of sockets there for some power outlets and that. But the seats now, what do you think of these XR6 seats?
They're comfy, yeah, I like that. I do have the originals at home in the shed. Weighing up whether I want to put them back in, but I think for this I'm going to keep these in here.
Yeah, they give you a lot of lumbar support.
They're super comfy,
Yeah, definitely.
They don't go too far forward though. My missus has two short legs and she can't, can't reach.
And they got the Hurricane adapters on the bottom there.
Yeah, they can move a bit,
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
So all in all, it's a pretty standard rig. We've got a little aftermarket LED light on the roof there, and obviously the PTO lever now. I can't wait till you get that going, man. That'd be so cool.
Yeah, no, I'm super amped for that.
Truly awesome. So the roof lining and that's all pretty good. You know, the back seats, they're all there. We got some storage in the back. It's pretty basic, just ply, and it's separated into different sections and that. But it'll work well for your trip across to WA, man. That's awesome. I think you're going to have such a good time, man. Honestly. Right now, I'm a great fan of the HJ61. I love the square headlight look compared to the round headlights. So you're expecting to go through some water, obviously, because you've got the snorkel there.
For sure.
And you're going to be doing plenty of night driving with those spotties up the front.
Yeah, make sure I don't hit any roos.
Yeah, see, mate.
This might protect.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to have to worry about too much of them. Just plough through them. But so When are you leaving on this mad trip?
Aiming for the 12th of December.
Yeah, so not long now. So you got a couple of weeks to get ready.
Yeah, just under, what is it, 3 I think.
Yeah, cool. Counting down the days, I bet.
Yeah, I know, it's a bit nerve-wracking. I got a lot to get through, so.
Well, nice one. I'm glad you popped in here before you left, mate. It's been a pleasure to see. A pleasure to meet you, definitely. And good luck and Merry Christmas, and wish you luck with your mad trip across the country, man.
Thank you.
Nice one. Check it out.